So I've got my MUSICOZY headband here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and just show you all the features, and it does have quite a few. It's pretty cool. What I like about it right away is that this is completely rechargeable. We've got a port right here to go ahead and charge it. It does come with a cord to do that. It has a runtime of right around 14 plus hours, and it takes right around 2 hours to charge it once it's fully depleted. The controls are simple to use. We have 3 simple buttons. Right here is our power button. As soon as we turn that on, what it's going to do is try to connect your Bluetooth device. You can see here it's blinking. Once it does connect, it's going to be a solid blue, and you're going to see the words MUSICOZY in there. So you just go ahead and click that. It's going to go ahead and connect. Also, we can adjust the volume with the plus and minus, and we can actually answer calls too. Now, when you do turn it on, this does have voice prompts because we can play music through this, of course, and we've got 2 speakers. You can see here, you can kind of see them as I squeeze the material here. And I was listening to it the other day, and the music's actually really good. The sound is good, the bass is good, and the treble too. So it's got a wide brim right here on the front. That allows you, if you want, of course, just put it on your forehead when you're working out. You get a little sweaty, like I mentioned earlier, you just go ahead and just hand wash that. Or you can slip this over your eyes and actually go to sleep with it too. Now, of course, this is the blue, the tie-dye blue, but it does come in other colors. And what I love about it too is that it is stretchy. So depending on the size of your head, it can easily slip on there. And this is a great way to be able to work out or sleep, listen to music, and you don't have, say, maybe some earbuds that are going to fall out or they're uncomfortable too while you're wearing it. Hope you found this review helpful.